Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great recipe. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm here to share with you how I make this delicious goat meat oil rice. Yes, I love palm oil rice. Is one of my favorite recipe. So easy to put together. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you all for tuning into today's video. If you want to know how I make this, stay tuned and let's dive into it. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. Here we are. Let's get started. As you can see, my rice is on top of the fire already. As we wait for the rice to parboil, we'll go ahead and blend the first ingredient. Here I have my red and yellow bell pepper. I use half part of red and yellow bell pepper. And I have 2 onions, white and purple onions, and the other fresh onions, which is porri, as we know in Italy. So guys, oil rice is a very easy recipe, but so delicious and so easy to put together as well. So after slicing the first ingredient, here I also have my Scotch bonnet pepper, which I use 3 of it because if I want to make my palm oil rice, I need a lot of pepper on it. Yes, because of the cold weather we are just in right now. There is cold when I was making this food. I also add ginger, 2 seeds of ginger. I also have 2 seeds of garlic as well. So I blended everything together. So at this stage, our rice is well boiled. I'm going to wash it out. Then we'll go ahead with the rest ingredient. Make sure you stay tuned to this video so that you will not miss anything from this video, and I know you will definitely enjoy this video. Here I have my goat meat cuts. Yes, I have a dice of goat meat. I'm going to pour from the stuff I blended, like those garlic, everything I blended together earlier. I'm going to pour a little of it to cook the meat. And I add my Maggi, chicken Maggi cube. I add salt. That is all. Then I will leave it to cook. As we wait for the meat to keep cooking, we'll go ahead and introduce the rest ingredients we need for this palm oil rice. I have my palm oil from Ghana. I have my tomatoes paste. I have my Maggi and salt. I also have my onions and egg. I also have my blended crayfish. I have my fagiolini, which we know as brown beans. And here we are. The meat is well cooked. At this stage, I will add my palm oil on top of my dry pot. Now we are going to continue to start cooking our palm oil delicious rice. I just add my onions. I wait for some minutes, then I add my tomatoes paste. I allow the tomatoes paste to steam, a little bit. Then I will add the rest ingredients. At this stage, I add my blended that you see me that I blended earlier. And I also have extra spicy. That was the dark one. I add my curry powder. I add my black pepper as well. Those are the ingredients that I add. Then I will stir. At this stage, I decided to add the rice and I will stir everything together. You can see this is so easy to put together and so delicious. At this stage, I rinsed out the blender with the mixture, just little, and I add water to it. I just pour in and I add salt. I'll add the other Maggi cube. Then I add my crayfish. Our rice is ready. I also add the pre-cooked brown beans. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. And if you do, on your way out, please remember to give this video a huge thumbs up. Share to friends and family. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. I will so much appreciate it. And thank you all my old and new subscribers. I do really appreciate you all. You that is joining us with this video, you are highly welcome. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.